What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis and I produce content for homeowners and up-and-coming heating and air technicians, teaching you everything you need to know about heating and air. And on the day's job, what we're going to be doing is replacing a Carrier condenser fan motor. So if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned and I'll show you how. All right, we're over here at the condenser fan motor that needs to be replaced. You can see the motor isn't running and we basically got ice on the coil. So we will go ahead and replace this motor and get it up and going so this unit will work properly. First thing that we go do is we go turn our power off. And then next we go take out these 4 screws on the top to get the motor loose. Taking these screws out the top. Alright, now we got 4 screws on the top here. We need to remove those so the fan can come off this screen here. So we'll go ahead and take those screws off. Alright, now that we got the motor and everything loose, we want to take this fan blades off. And now we got the motor loose. And now all we have to do is put our new motor right back in. Alright, we got our new motor back in. We're going to take our screws, put them back on our new motor. Hold the motor in securely. Alright, we got our motor and our blades on. Now what we want to do is we want to secure our blades onto our new shaft. And take our set screw, screw this in. All right, we got our motor replaced. Now all we got to do is stick it in the unit up top, and we should be all through. First, we got to take our liquid tight and we got to run our wires through that. All right, we'll put our new motor up and get our wires run through. Our wires are run through this hole here. It'll come out and it'll go into our control panel here to the right. Okay, we got our wires coming out the side here. Now all we need to do is we need to put our screws back on the top here and secure those down, and then we can go ahead and wire everything up. All right, we're cutting our wires like we did. It basically helps us know exactly where our new wires go. So basically I got a black wire that comes off. We hook our black wire to our black wire terminal. We hook our yellow wire to our yellow terminal. And we hook our brown wire to our capacitor for our brown terminal. Now we should be able to turn them on. And now our fan comes on and runs properly. So basically what we did is we took the fan off, unsecured it from the top, basically put our took our fan blades off, installed them back, basically run our wires through, and installed this new motor. These condenser fan motors aren't hard to replace, so if you do one you can pretty much do them all, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to replace your condenser fan motor. So basically we're all set. This motor's running good. Another happy customer. All right guys, we got that motor replaced. It was a pretty easy job and then nothing complicated about it at all. This is up and running fine. They shouldn't have any more problems with their heat with replacing that motor. So guys, I hope you learned something, and if you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means the world to me. And on the next service call, we'll see what we get into. So I'll see you then. Bye guys.